awit ng Pilipinas. This is Beam TV Network, a commercial television network owned and operated by Broadcast Enterprises and Affiliated Media Incorporated. The network operates the following transmitting stations authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission: DWKC DTV Channel 31 Metro Manila with NTC permit number BSD-0077-2022 valid until March 16, 2025 with transmitter located at Palos Verdes Subdivision, Sumulong Highway, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. DWHB DTV Channel 26 Baguio with NTC permit number BSD-0018-2022 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Mount Santo Tomas, Tuba, Benguet. DWHC DTV Channel 32 Naga with NTC permit number BSD-0084-2022 valid until April 7, 2025 with transmitter located at Barangay Triangulo, Naga City. DYRM DTV Channel 26 Iloilo with NTC permit number BSD-0070-2022 valid until March 8, 2025 with transmitter located at Barangay Alagisok, Jordan, Guimaras. DYCT DTV Channel 31 Cebu with NTC permit number BSD-0016-2022 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Babag Hill, Cebu City. DXKC DTV Channel 31 Davao with NTC permit number BSD-0019-2022 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Shrine Hills, Barangay Matina Crossing, Davao City. DXBE DTV Channel 31 Zamboanga with NTC permit number BSD-0017-2024 valid until December 21, 2024 with transmitter located at Mount Kabatangan, Zamboanga City. Beam TV Network operates under the supervision of the following electronics and communications engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission. Engineer Oliver Q. Caldetera, PECE number 1312. Engineer Herbert E. Alo, ECE number 44171. Engineer Michael A. Flores, ECE number 48715, and carried out by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission: Alan H. Barrios, 96-1PNCR-17094, Edgar Alan A. Ramos, 12-1PHN-26519. Beam TV Network is now signing on. All programs telecast on this network have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Good morning!
Gising! Gising! Gising Pilipinas! Simulan ang umaga na puno ng impormasyon at mga balitang dapat mong malaman. Ang katawan ay igalaw-galaw para ganahan buong araw. Sasabayan kayo sa almusal nina Alvin L. Chico at Doris Bigonya. Gising na. Bango na. Gising Pilipinas!
Oy, naulan! Akala ko ba'y paalis na si Aghon? Eh mukhang nandyan pa po si Aghon ha. Kaya gising na, bango na. Hindi po, if I excuse yung weather, nasabi nyo, sir, umuulan po eh. Ay hindi po. Hindi papayag si boss. Kailangan pumasok ka pa rin.
Sabi nung empleyado, bakit ka na late? Sabi naman ni empleyado kay boss,